guys, this is Tiffany from We Made It Soap Company, and today we're going to be making my whipped sugar scrub to go with the Flower Garden collection. So we're going to need a big bowl, our digital scale for weighing our ingredients. We're going to need foaming bath whip, traditional foaming bath whip from Crafter's Choice. I got this from Wholesale Supplies Plus. White grain related sugar, some coconut oil, sweet almond oil. I have my fragrance from Nature's Garden. We're going to be using True Yellow from TKB Trading. Let Us Entertain You from Mad Micas. And we're going to dust the top with a little bit of white diamond glitter from TKB Trading. I'm going to attempt to do a dual color swirl, basically, with the whip. Also, disclaimer, if you hear any strange noises in the background, it's my kids. Everybody's home right now, folks. So, first we're going to put the bowl on the scale and make sure we tear it out. So at degree 0. We're going to weigh out our foaming bath whip. Now I'm going to whip this together for about 5 minutes. It should double in size. Got nice stiff peaks. You want to whip it for at least 5 minutes and get it to nice stiff peaks. Otherwise, when you start whipping in your other ingredients, it's just going to fall flat and be runny. So I'm going to bring you guys back after I whip this up and show you how it looks. Okay. This has been whipping for about 5 minutes, you guys. As you can see, it is now nice and fluffy. So I'm going to scrape down the sides a little bit. And we're going to now add we are now going to add our sweet almond oil and our coconut oil. A few tablespoons of each. And now we're going to mix this together for another minute or so. Just to make sure that this coconut oil and sweet almond oil is nice and incorporated with that foaming bath whip. And that sweet almond oil. Now that we have added our sweet almond oil and our coconut oil to our bath whip, we are now going to add our sugar. And scrape down the sides real nice. And we're going to add our white grain related sugar. We're going to add this a little at a time. Well, matter of fact, no. We're going to add it all And we're just gonna start off mixing at a slow speed so that this sugar doesn't go all over the place. So start off low so you don't have sugar flying all over. Now we're going to add our fragrance oil, and then we're going to split off to color our two different colors. Smells fantastic. It's a very light, floral, feminine fragrance. I have I'm going to get me a bigger container. Have a separate container here, and I'm going to split off half of this, and we're going to color the two halves, one yellow and one green. About that much. That'll be fine. Okay, we're going to do one and Let Us Entertain You. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in one. This is about half a teaspoon. We're going to see what color that gives us and see if I think we need to add a little more. And the other is going to be True Yellow from TKB. I'm going to do the same with that one, but start off with about half a teaspoon. And I'm mixing this in with my spatula so that mica powder doesn't fly all over the place with the mixer. And I think I am going to add more yellow because it's looking a little pale. And I want that yellow to be pretty vibrant. So we're going to go in with another half of a teaspoon and see how that looks. We have our jars here, They have already been sprayed with rubbing alcohol, the jars and the lids, to make sure everything is nice and sanitized. And we also have our piping bag here. Just a regular piping bag that I'm using with the Atico 869 tip. So we're going to attempt to put both of these colors in this bag. We're going to see how it's going to go. That actually looks really nice. I'm okay with that. Of course, we gotta fill this bag up. And you just put it in your piping bag and take it around in a circle. Just like this. Definitely gonna need more jars. Way one day I could really use something to stand it up in. I just haven't gotten it yet. I will. And this one may or may not fill up all the way, which is fine because it'll just be a little sample. A little sample or something. Or maybe me to try out, see how it smells. Make sure we get all of that goodness up out of that bag. Okay, we're gonna clean up and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna finish off the sugar scrubs. Okay, now we're going to dust the top with a little bit of this white diamond glitter, and we're going to decorate with some of these little flower shaped soaps that I made. Just to give it a little sparkle and look pretty.
Get back here, Lily. Get back.
That one got a lot of sparkle. We're just gonna sit these right on top. Do some purple. And some of these that have a little smaller one, I might go ahead and give them two.
Come here. I'm gonna punch you.
Just to be fair. And there we have it, you guys. Flower garden with sugar scrub.